Hi friends, welcome back to the online class in mathematics. My name is Vishwanath. See, we were in the exercise 5.2 in the last class. It is not yet completed. Let us continue with the next problem from the exercise 5.2. That is from question 15. Write the question: for what value of n? For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 are equal. This is the question. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 are equal. So this is the different AP, another one is one more AP. This AP is having different first term, different common difference. The another AP is having the common difference and the first term are different from the first one. For what value of n, the nth term of both the APs are equal. That means this AP is proceeding in its own common difference and first term. The another AP is proceeding in the another different A and different D. But at a particular n value, at a particular position, these two APs will be having same value. They are saying for what value of n? N is what here? Number of terms. See, first AP will take. The first AP is having 63, 65, 67 ... That means the first AP is 3333 increased, 63 not 222 increased, pardon me. 63, 65, 67, next is 69 should come, 71, 73, 75, 77, like that it is moving in the right side direction with the 222 added, because the common difference is 2 here. 63 after 65 means 2 is increased. So between two successive number, 2 is the common difference. But another AP, the AP2 is having 3, 10, 17. That means first is 3, then 10, 7 increased. Again 7 increased. Next 7 increased, 24, 31, 38, next 45, 52, like that it will be going on. But at a particular value, both the APs are meeting each other, because the first AP is started from 63, of course, but it is just 2 increasing. But the second AP started from a smaller value. Look at the first AP started from 63, 2 increasing, but the second AP started from low value. This is 63, this is just 3. But it is increased by 7. No, definitely the second AP will meet the first AP at a particular value. Look at 63, 3 not coinciding. See, the first term is here 63, here first term is 3, no matching each other. What they are asking, for what value of n? That means at which position both the APs are equal. Here n means position. At what value of n or the nth term? Nth term is there, it is unknown. See, the 63 is what? First term. Second term, third term, fourth term. Here at particular one term, on 50th term or 100th term, both the APs are equal, they are asking. At which term both the APs are equal? Let us see. This is the first term, A1, A2, A3, fourth, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term is 75, eighth term is 77, here eighth term is different. Look at here, the eighth term is 52, here eighth term is 77. But at a particular term, both the APs are matched. We have to find out that. See, 77 next is 79. This is the ninth term. Here 52 next is, it is 59. This is ninth term. Again, when we go to the 10th term, it is 81. Here 10th term is 66. The 10th term is 66. Next, we go to the 11th term. In 11th term, first AP is having 83. Second AP is having 7 more. So 7 more, it is 73. The next 12th term, 83 after 85. Look at, I am writing all the terms by 2 to increase. First AP is having 2 is the common difference. So I increase 73, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85. But the second AP started from low value. Of course, it is having 7 common difference. So 7 is increased between two successive number. So first AP 83, next to 85, here 77, next 80, next 13th term when we go 85, next it is 87, here 80, next 7, here 2 increased 87, here 7 increased 87. Look at the 13th term, both the APs are equal. See, first term started from bigger value, lower value, but still the second AP is meeting the first AP because it is having 7 common difference. First AP is having only 2 common difference. Second AP is having 7 common difference now. So it is moving faster to meet the first AP, though the first AP started from the bigger value. So look at here, this is the practical method. In practical method I showed you at exactly 13th position, first AP become 87, second AP also become 87. So your answer is at what value of n both the APs are equal. So we have to say at a 13th term. At the 13th term both are equal. But it is practical method. But we have to show by a formula method. How to show it by formula method? So we take now using formula method, theoretical method. See, AP1, the first AP1 will take, it is 63, 65, 67, dot, 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 dot. So if AP is given, as I told you, if AP is given, first your work is, what is first term, what is common difference. First term is 63, common difference is next term minus previous term, it is 2. Next term minus previous term, it is 2. See, after that we go to AP2. AP2, what are the clue given? It is 3, 10, 17, dot, dot, dot. So here the first term is 3 and the common difference is next term minus previous term, this 7. After noting down, the question is at what value of n both the nth terms are equal. That means here the A1 is 63, A2 is 65, A3 is 67. Here somewhere one term is there. I mean here one term is going to come in both the APs, that these two are equal, but this term in A, this look at, this is the A1, A2, A3. Here one term is going to come, we don't know which position is that, so that position is unknown, AN. Even this AP is having A1 3, A2 10, A3 17, but here one more term is going to come at a particular position, that position is unknown. This is A1, A2, A3, but this is which term, don't know, so AN. In the question what they are asking, the nth term of both the APs. This AP is one of the unknown position term. This AP is another one of the unknown position. These two they are saying equal. That means I have to write AN is equal to AN. So this term, this AP AN is equal to this another AP AN. At this AN position both are equal. Now AN formula we know that A plus n minus 1 into D. Here also A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now, so this is first AP. Remember, this is the first AP. This is second AP. First AP AN is A plus n minus 1 into D. Other also formula is same, but substitution is different. The first AP A value is how much? 63. Plus n minus 1, that is unknown because the position is unknown. That's why we have to write n minus 1. D is how much? 2. First AP is having 63 and 2. We go to second AP. Second AP is having 3 is the A value. N value is still unknown because the N value of both the APs are same. That's why we are finding that. 3 is what? Sorry, 7 is D value. Second AP. Now 63 plus 2 into N, 2N minus 2 into 1, 2. This side 3 plus 7 into N, 7N minus 7. Now this is 2n, this is 7n. This 7n is bigger, this 2n is smaller. So we take 2n right side. 7n minus 2n. 7n, this 2n taken the other side. The remaining all the value bring this side. 63 minus 2 minus 3 plus 7. 63 minus 2, this 3 is taken this side minus 3, minus 7 taken this side plus 3 plus 7. 63 and 7, it is 70. In 75 is subtracted, it is 65. Isn't it? In 7n minus 2n it is 5n. N is equal to 5, shifted this side, 65 by 5. Cancelled, n value 13. That means if both the APs AN and AN equal, definitely the position is 13th term. Exactly at the 13th term. Before we were unknowing, see, now it is A13. At A13 position, Before it was unknown, AN we wrote, now it is known 13th position. At 13th position, both the APs are having equal. That only I showed here practically. At 13th position, look at here, both the APs are equal. In formula method also, we got the same thing here. So, hope you got this problem. We move on to the next problem, that is 16th problem from the same exercise. Determine AP. So, AP we have to determine. That means AP is not given. Whose third term is 16. Third term is 16. And seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. Seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. That means seventh term is 12 more than the fifth term. Seventh term is exceeding. That means seventh term is bigger than fifth term. How much? 12. So seventh term is 12 more than the fifth term. So we go for the solution with the given AP we have to find out. AP is the question. AP only unknown. Progression only unknown. Third term is 16. We know that third term how to write. Third term is what? A3. Third term means third position sitting number. That is only called in roll number. If 3 persons are standing, 4 persons are standing like this. The first person is called as A1. Second person is A2, A3, A4. Like here also, third term means A3. So third term, in the third term is third position. This is the third position, A3. Who is sitting in the third position? Number 16. Here in the third position, a person is standing. But in this problem, in the third position, instead of person, 16 number is standing. So in the third position, who is there? 16 number is there. And seventh term how to write? A7. Seventh term is seventh position term. Seventh position term, who is there? It is not given. In the third position, 16 is there, but the seventh position, who is there? It is not given. But instead of that, our relation is given. That is seventh term exceeds. That means seventh term is equal to fifth term plus 12. That means seventh term is fifth term plus 12. In the fifth term, 12 is added, we will get seventh term. That means seventh term is bigger than fifth term. By how much? 12. So seventh term is 12 more than the 15th term. So example is 7 and 3 are there. This 7 is what? 4 more than the 3. That means to get the 7, 3 is smaller, 7 is bigger. 7 exceeds 3 by 4. That means to get the 7, for the 3 you have to add 4. So 7 is 4 more than the 3. So 3 plus 7 is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Similarly here, 7th term is 12 more than the 5th term. To get the 7th term, you have to add 12 to the 5th term. So to get the 7, for the 3 we added 4, right? So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Similarly here, 7th term is bigger, 5th term is smaller. These two between, what is the gap? 12 is the gap. Now we go for expansion. See, if AP is not given, as I told you earlier, if AP is not there, your first work is how to get A, how to get D. This is your first. So A and D are unknown, right? What we will do, we expand the A3 now. First, what are the given clue? In the question, what are the clue given? Those clues we will use and we find out A and D, because for any progression A and D are very, very important. You get A and D, the problem is almost finished. So A3 is given, A7 and A5 between relation is there. So we will use these two clues. Always in any problem something is given, in that clue we have to find some unknowns. So A3 is 16 given. Now A3 is equal to 16, right? A3 is equal to 16, simply we write what we will get, nothing will get. So we do something with the A3 is equal to 16. If A3 is equal to 16, we know that A3 how to expand. A3 means A plus 2D. A3 is always from the first term 2 differences after it comes. Look at here, A1, A2, A3. A3 from the first, how many differences after it comes? 1 difference, 2 difference. A3 and A1 between 2 differences are there. Look at these two between 1 difference and A2, A3. So A3 and A1 between there are 2 differences. So to get A3, first plus, to get the A3, first plus 2D. These two you have to add, is equal to 16. Now that's it. We cannot move this problem forward. We write this equation as 1. Now we go for the second one more. A7 is equal to A5 plus 12 is given. Now in the same way we will expand A7. A7 how to expand? A plus 60. So in the same way A3 is from the A1, 2 differences after come. Similarly A7 from the A totally 6 differences after it comes. So 7th term and first term between how many differences are there? 6 differences are there. Is equal to, similarly A how to expand? Sorry, A5. A5, see A3 from the A1 2 differences. A7 from the A 6 differences. A5 from the A 4 differences. It is very simple, A plus 4D. So 5th term 4 differences, 7th term 6 differences, 3rd term, so its position and differences 1 less. If 3rd is 2 differences, 5th is 4 differences, 7 is 6 differences, plus 12. See both the side A and 8 get cancelled. 60 and 4D. 4D is smaller, bring this side. 60 minus 4D equal to 12. Here it is 2D equal to 12. D is equal to 6. So we get D value 6. So this, using this 6D value, we'll substitute in the equation 1. A plus 2D equals to 16. This is the equation 1. In that, A value unknown plus 2 into D value, just now we got 6 is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 minus 2, 6 are 12, shifted that side, minus 12. So A is equal to 4. Look at what's were before work was A and D unknown. So now it is A and D we got. Once we get A and D, what was the question? Main question, get the AP. It is very easy to get the AP. What is actually AP? Start from first term, increase by difference. In the question, what is the first term? Look at A means first term. Now first term is 4. Now we write AP. AP always started from A1, A2, A3 like that. Now A, A2, A3, A4 dot. This is called as AP. AP is what started from A, first term, second term, third term, fourth term and dot. So in this question, what is the first term? A, comma. A2 means what? A2 means first term plus difference. See here the 6 is difference, no? 6 is the difference. So first term plus difference we add, we'll get 10. 10 is the next number. Next. So we know that difference is D. That D continuously you add to the previous number. First term was 4 plus the difference 6 added will get 10. Again 6 added 16. Again 22. Like that it will be going on. 4 second term is 10. How did I get second term 10? Very simple. First term is 4 already we got. Difference also we got in the question. The difference we have to add now. First term plus 6. Go to 10, again plus 6, 16 plus 6, 22 dot. This is the required AP. So we move on to the next question. Question number 17 of the same exercise. Find the 20th term from the last term of an AP 3, 8, 13 dot 253. This is the question. Find the 20th term from the last, they are asking, not from the first. Find the 20th term from the last term of an AP. So we have to get the term from the last, from this direction you have to find out. See this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term A4. See the 20th term is they are asking A20 how much. See this is A1, A2, A3. So in the same way we go, we get the A20 practical or direct method. Practical method and theoretical method, both. In both the method we get the correct answer. This is A1, A2, A3. See how much is increased? 3 after 5 increased 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. Like that 5, 5, 5, 5 you keep on adding, you will get the 20th term. That is practical method. But the question is not that. Find the 20th term, only so much is there, find out. But the question is from the last term. Find the 20th term from the last. That means find the 20th term from the last means you have to get 20th term from the last, this direction. See, if 10 students are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 students are there. See, he is third from the first. 1, 2, 3. He is sitting at third position. But when we count from this direction, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He is sitting in the 7th position or 8th position. He is the first sitting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from this direction 3 is sitting at 3rd position. From the bottom direction, from the last direction, the same 3 is sitting at 8th position. So when we count from this direction, 3 is sitting at 8th position. From the top direction when we start, it is the 3rd position. So in the similar way, 20th position means A20 of course, but the question is from the last term. You have to find out the 20th term from the last. So what we have to do to find the 20th term from the last, you have to write this progression in the reverse direction like this. Because we need to get the progression 20th from the last they told. No? So what we will do, this last we make it as first and the remaining we take to the last. Now this is the required AP. In this AP now let us write. What is A? 253. A means sitting. So they asked 20th term from the last. So what we did, the last we made it as first. Because from the last to get, we write the progression in the reverse order like this. Yeah. What is D? D is what? Next number minus previous number. Here there are 2 terms not there. So what we will do here, we will take next number minus previous number. 8 minus 13. 8 minus 13. Also this progression in the descending order. When descending order progression is given, always common difference is negative. So 8 minus 13 is minus 5. Now we go for A20. A20 to be find out. A20 how to find out? A20 is always from the first, how many differences after comes? 19D. A20 is equal to A plus 19D. That means A20 and A1. A20 and A1 between 19 differences are there. Now A1 is how much? 253 plus 19 into D is negative minus 5. 253, 19 5 is it is 95. In 253, 95 will subtract. So 13 minus 5 how much? 8. 13 minus 5 is 8. Here it is 4 is there. 14 minus 9, 5. Here how much is there? 1 is there. 1. So this is the answer, 158. So 20th term from the last is 158. 158 is the answer. We go for the next question, that is 18th question. The sum of the 4th term and 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. So I read out the question once again. The sum of the 4th and 8th terms. The sum of 4th term and 8th term. Together it is equal to 24. That means 24 is not 4th term, 24 is not 8th term. 24 is sum of 4th and 8th terms together. And the sum of 4th and 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of an AP. That means AP to be find out. Find the AP. AP is question now. What are the clues given? 4th term. 4th term is what? A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. See, if you look at one progression I take 3, 6, 9, 12 dot dot dot. So this is what? Third term. This is first term. The sum of first and third terms means what? 3 plus 9 is equal to 12 like that. See, sum of first term and third term is equal to 12. In the same way it is given. The sum of fourth term and one more 8th term. Together it is equal to 24. This is A3, this is A1, this is A4, A2 like this. See, in the question sum of third and first given, what we have to do? Sum of third A3 plus A1 is equal to 12 we write. No. A3 plus A1 is equal to 12 in this example. Similarly here fourth term is A4 and 8th term is somewhere in the progression 8th term, that is in the position 8. Together these two answers together 24 is given, not separately. One more clue is 6th term A6, 10th term A10, both are equal to 44. So we have to find out three terms, I mean AP to be found. To find out AP, what is required? A and D both are required. If AP is not given, your work is how to get. See, in the last problem AP was given. Look at, in the last problem AP was given. If AP is given, look at, if AP is given, A and D will get quickly. But in this problem AP is not there. So to get A and D, we have to use the clues. So what clues are given? A4, A8 is equal to 24. Now we will expand. A4 how to expand? A plus 3D. A4 is 3 difference of after comes. A after 3 differences is only 4th term. Plus 8th term how to expand? A plus 7D is equal to 24. The next one is what? 6. A6 is what? A plus 5D. A6 and A between how many differences? 5 differences. Plus similarly A10 and A between how many differences? A plus 9D is equal to 44. So now A and A is how much? 2A plus 3D 10D is equal to 24. Another one is A plus A 2A, 5D plus 9D 14D is equal to 44. Now we use the cancellation. In this, to bigger one is the below one, we write the bigger one first to avoid the negative answers. Bigger one first write, the smaller one we write later, like this. Sign change and sign change. Cancel. 2A minus 2A cancel. 14D minus 10D 4D is equal to 44 minus 24, it is 20. So D is equal to 5. Look at D value we got. So after the D value we go for A value. How to get A value? So in this equation choose any one. The first one will choose 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. 2A unknown plus 10 into D value just now we got 5. 24. 2A is equal to, it is how much? 50. 50 taken that side, minus 50. 2A is equal to, in 24 50 is subtracted, it is a negative answer because smaller minus bigger, negative answer. It is 26. A is equal to minus 26 by 2 is a minus 13. This 2 shifted that side, minus 26 by 2 is minus 13. Now we got A value. A value also got, the previous stage D value also got. Once this A value and D value finished, how to get AP? AP is simple. AP means what? Start from first and increase the differences. What is the first term? Minus 13. It is already known. What is the second term? To get the second term, what you have to do? The difference you have to add. So 5 you have to add. So minus 13 after 5 is added, minus 13 plus 5. So how much we'll get? It is minus 8. For the minus 8 again 5 is added, we'll get minus 3. For the minus 3 again 5 is added, we'll get 2. For 2 again 5 is added, 7. Like that it will be going on. Dot dot. But the question is the first 3 terms find out. The first 3 terms are minus 13, minus 8, minus 3. This is the first 3 terms of given AP. First term is minus 13. Minus 8, how did I get? The difference. To get the next term, the difference added. See, always to get the next term, D you have to add. To get the difference, you have to subtract. Understand? See, if you want to know the difference between these two, next minus previous, you have to subtract. But to get the next number, keep on getting next number, what D is given, that D you have to add. Minus 13 plus 5. Minus 8 plus 5, like that add, you get the AP. 19th question. A man, it is an application question. A man started work in 1995 at an annual income or annual salary of rupees 5,000. A man started work in 1995. He begins his work in 1995 at the first month salary of 5,000 and received an increment. So received an increment of rupees 200. Rupees 200 each year. So each year he is getting 200 rupees increment. In which year did his income reach to rupees 7,000? Question. A man started work in 1995. Started in 1995. His first month salary is, sorry, first year is not. This salary is 5,000. Annual salary. It is not monthly salary. Annual salary. So a man, it is so low. It's okay. Just it is a problem, no, to understand the concept of an application problem. A man started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000. So yearly he is getting 5,000 rupees. But that same company or where he was working, they were increasing the salary by every year by 200 rupees. So every year he was getting 200 rupees increment. So we start this AP now. The solution, we write this given data in solution. In 1995, how much he got salary? 5,000 rupees. In 1996, so every year there is an increment. Look at, received an increment of 200 each year. Each year he was getting 200 increment. That means in 1996, how much? 5,200. In 1997, 5,400. Like that it is going on. 200 increases. The question is, in which year did his income reach by 7,000? So in the same way, if he goes, in which year he gets 7,000 rupees? That means the last term is 7,000 rupees. See, 5,000 at which year? We know that. 5,200 we know that. 5,400 we know that. But 7,000 rupees salary, in which year he gets? If you go in practical method, this one finishes quickly. Look at 5,000. First it is 5,000. Next 5,200. 5,400. Next 5,600. 5,800 next year. Next 6,000. Next 6,200. 6,400. 6,600. 6,800. 7,000. By increasing 200 only we will get. It is 1995. It is 1996. 97. It is 98. It is 2000. Right. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Sorry, it is 99. It is 2000. Now it is 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. That means in 2005, the year 2005, he gets 7,000 rupees. Practically we go by adding 200 every year, we get in which year he is getting 7,000. But theoretically we have to show, right? So how to prove the same 2005 in 7,000 he gets in 2005 by theoretically? Just by taking the AP. See, 5,000, next 5,200, 5,400, dot. See, 5,000 is what? A1. 5,200 second year A2. This is A3. In the same way he goes, and 7,000 is getting. At which year it is unknown? AN. First year A1, A2 5,200, 5,400 third year. In which year? The position is unknown. 1, 2, 3 we know. Here many dots are there. So 7,000 in which year it comes? Don't know. Now from the progression, A is how much? First term 5,000. Next, if progression is given, what I told, progression is given, write the A and D first. Okay, A is 5,000, D is what? Next minus previous. 5,200 minus 5,000, it is 200. Now, and also one more clue is there in the question, AN, last term. Last term is how much? 7,000. A1, A2 we know, D we know by difference. This is its position is unknown, no? That's why we call 7,000 by AN. AN is 7,000. A1 is 5,000, A2 we know, A3 we know, but 7,000 we know, but its year is unknown, so AN. Now once AN is given, we go for formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is the value of AN? 7,000. A value is 5,000 plus N minus 1 is unknown, because in which year is getting unknown. D is how much? 200. 5,000 bring this side, it become 2,000. N minus 1 into 200. Now 200 shift this side. 200 by 2,000 by 200. It become 2,000 by 200 is equal to N minus 1. 200 get cancelled. We get 10 is equal to N minus 1. then n is equal to minus 1 shifted this side 11. So he will get 11th year he will get this 7,000 rupees. So what we have to do, in which year did this income reach by 7,000 means in 11th year. 11th year means from the 1995. From the 1995 he gets at 11th year. 11th year he gets 7,000 rupees. So how to calculate 11th year? See, 1995 is 1. We have to count from here. 1995 1, 96 2, 97 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means in 2005. So usually to calculate n value is 11, no? So what a few students calculate, 11th year means he started in 1995. So 11th year means they had 11th year directly, they write 2006 answer. But it is wrong. So when we are counting, the 1995 is taken as first year. So we should not add 11 directly. 1995 is first year. So the first year. So 11th year means we have to add 10, not 11. So 11th year means from the 1995 it is 11th year. So 1995 is considered as first year. So first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 means 2005 only it comes. So it's the answer for the application question 1. So we go for one more application question is there. That is 20th question. A woman saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year, then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. So our weekly savings by rupees 1.75. So like last problem, in the last problem, first year salary is 5,000. Every year 200 increment was there. Similarly here, a woman saved rupees 5 in the first week. In the first week she saved rupees 5. Then increased her weekly savings by 1.75. 1 rupee 75 paisa increased every week. She is increasing her savings to 1.75. If in the nth week our weekly savings become rupees 20.75, find n. So find the value of n. Like last problem. Then increased her weekly savings by 1.75. Every week she is increasing her savings to 1.75x more. If in the nth week, so it is given, it's not given. In which week? They are asking if in the nth week means in which week her weekly savings become 20.75. So the 5 rupees become 20.75 in which week? So the theoretical method and practical method. Practical method we get even quick answer. First week 5 rupees. Second week how much? 1.75 more. That means 6.75. First week 5 rupees saving. Second week 6 rupees 75 paisa because second week is 1.75 more. So the third week again 1.75 more. 1.75 one more again. So it become 750, 850. It become 850. Then the next again 1.75 more. Again 1.75 more means it is 950, 1025, 10.25 it become. Again 1.75 more, it is 12 rupees. Again 1.75 more, it is 13.75. Again added 1.75, it is 15.50. 1.75 again, it is 17.25. Again 1.5 is added, it is 18. Sorry, it's not 18, it is 19 rupees. Again 1.75 added, it is 20.75. Look at, we reached the 20.7. The question is in which week 20.75 it become. 5 rupees plus 1.75, 1.75 when we added continuously, we reach 20.75 in which week. This is the first week. We have to calculate from the first week. First week, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, sorry. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, this is the one value, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. It is the 10th week. The answer is in the 10th week. In the 10th week, she reaches the weekly savings to 20.75 rupees. But how to prove it by the theoretical method? So we take theoretical method by considering the AP. First we write AP. First week 5 rupees, second week 1.75 more, 6.75, and we put dot dot dot. In which week she reaches 20.75? So 20.75 is the last value. This is A1, this is A2, this is what? A first, A2 second. This 20.75 in which position? Unknown, because many dots are there here. Unknown, AN. So A is what? 5. Common difference D is subtraction of previous minus next minus previous. It is 1.75. 6.75 minus 5 is this. AN value is also known in the question, 20.75. When AN is given, we use that formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN value 20.75. A value is 5 plus N minus 1 position is unknown. D is 1.75. 20.75 and 5 brought this side. 20.75 minus 5. It is equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. Remember these two between into product. 20.75 minus 5 is how much? 15.75 is equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. 1.75 we bring this side. 15.75 divided by 1.75 equal to N minus 1. So here 15.75, 1.75, two decimal places are there. Correct, no? So we remove two decimal places from numerator and denominator. It becomes without decimal. We write without decimal because two decimal equally cancelled. So it is 1575 divided by 175 is equal to N minus 1. So we cancel this one by taking 15 table. 15 ones are 15, 7 we cannot cancel in 15, so put 0, 75, 15 5s are 75. Here also 15 ones are 15, here 2 remains, but in 15 you cannot cancel this. So better you go for 5 table only, that time 5 3s are, next 5 ones are, 5 5s are. Here 5 3s are, 5 5s are. Again 5 6s are, 5 3s are, 5 7s are. Now in 7 table, 7 ones are, 7 9s are. So 9 is equal to N minus 1. Minus 1 brought this side, 10 is equal to N. So at the 10th week, that only we did in the practical method also. 1 to first week also considered. Don't count from year 1. Start from year. If 4 students are standing, we don't count from here. He is the first, second, third, not like that. We consider him also first, second, third, fourth, like that. So even in AP also the first is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At 10th week she reaches her saving to 20.75. Even in the theoretical method also we got the same. See, hence the exercise 5.2 finishes using this A how to get, D how to get, AN how to get, how to use this A plus N minus 1 into D formula for AN, and how to use shortcut. If suppose A23 is there, how to expand A23 quickly. A23 is sitting in 23rd position. The 23rd position sitting person from the first sitting person, how many differences? 22 differences. Like that, how to expand all the things using this formula AN, D and A writing. So we have seen, hope this class was helpful. In the next class we go to the one more formula, that is sum of nth term is given, how to find out. Until then, bye from me. Thank you.